don't tell anyone. I've been saving my scraps. Just look at all this trash. I can't bring myself to throw it away. It's like throwing out money. Make sure to follow so you can see the end result. Tag Creative Resin Marketplace to get featured on our page. Do you recycle your leftovers? Share in the comments the pieces you've made. Tell us, what's your favorite epoxy? How long have you worked with resin? OMG! You won't believe the end result. I used resin scraps from other projects to turn my trash into more art. Not only is it a beautiful nightlight, wait for it. Here it comes. Wow! It also glows in the dark.